Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Ajay Chandel, Associate Professor at Little School of Business. I'm the subject matter expert of business model canvas creation. Today I'll tell you three very important things how to convert your business idea into a reality. Number one, you should start early, you should start smart. Understand your customers really well. Go to the market, understand their pain points, and try to see how can these pain points be converted into a strong gain arenas. Step number two, converting a business idea into reality is never easy. It's easier said than done. I'll help you understand how to create a strong business model canvas. 9-step process, very easy to understand. Number one, understand your customers really well. What is your value proposition? That's number two. Number three, how to reach out to your target customers. Number four, how do you create strong customer relationships? Number five, identify strong business activities that you'll ponder upon. Number seven, try to identify the various resources you'll require those activities to be done. Number eight, try to identify your key outsourcing partners. Number nine, cost structures. And finally, the revenue streams. 3. Start early, start small, start really well. We need to understand how do we create a minimum viable product that actually makes the product visible to the customer, solves real-time problems. Well, getting your garden pawned is not easy. Getting your walls whitewashed is not easy either. Having your car washed every day is not easy either. And that's where we have companies like Urban Clap. The company identified customers' pain points. That is, I cannot do everything my own. I have no time for all those things. I live in disc families, double income, single kid. What I have a dearth of is of time. Identifying strong customer pain points helped this company, Urban Clap, become a market champion. The company started really strong and created a strong business model canvas, understood their customers' pain points really well, empathized with their customers really well, created strong customer relationships, created strong supplier networks, and finally led them to have a strong revenue stream. Step 3 was to test the market really well on time, creating a minimum viable product where you sample your product and your offering to a small consumer segments and try to see if it actually fits the needs, if it actually suits them and helps them perform their jobs effectively, efficiently, and affordably. And this is where Urban Clap made the MVP really happen, where they created a small dummy website and tested the customers about the pain points and how Urban Clap solved them. So when the next time a great idea pops your mind, follow these 3 steps. Rule number 1, gather customers' pain points and try to see how your offering fixes them. 2, create a strong business model canvas. 3, create an MVP and test the customers really well. Thank you.